Chapter 4. Students should be able to explain ideal and non-ideal behavior of gases on terms of the intermolecular forces and molecular volume. Students also should be able to explain the conditions at which real gases approach the ideal behavior. There are two types of gas, ideal gas and real gas. So let's see the ideal gas versus real gas. What is the ideal gas and what is the real gas? Ideal gas, any gas that obeys the ideal gas equation and has the properties as outlined by the kinetic molecular theory. While real gas, any gas that disobeys ideal gas law, also known as non-ideal gas. So, does an ideal gas exist? Okay, let's see the comparison between the ideal versus non-ideal behaviors of gases. Ideal gas is the ideal behavior, real gas, non-ideal behavior. In terms of the volume, for the ideal gas, volume of gas particles is too small compared to the volume of container. Therefore, volume of gas particle is negligible. While for the real gas particles have a certain volume and do occupy some space. In terms of the intermolecular forces for the ideal gas, intermolecular forces between the gas particles are negligible. And for real gas, there is intermolecular forces between gas particles. Ideal gas obeys the ideal gas equation PV equal to nRT, and real gas obeys the van der Waals equation P plus n square A over V square V minus NB equal to nRT. Van der Waals equation. Since real gas does not exhibit ideal gas behavior at high pressure and low temperature, so the ideal gas equation needs to be adjusted. Van der Waals adjusted the ideal gas equation by correcting two parameters. First, the volume of gas particles occupied in a container. Second, the intermolecular forces acting between gas particles. Ideal gas equation is PV equal to nRT, while van der Waals equations P plus n square A over V square V minus NB equal to nRT, where P pressure of gas, V volume of container, and mole of gas, AB van der Waals constant. P plus n square A over V square is the correction for the molecular attractions. Pressure for the ideal gas is larger than pressure for the real gas because there are corrections for the pressure in ideal gas equation to form van der Waals equation, which is pressure equal to the pressure plus n square A over V square, which is n is the mole of the gases and V is the volume and A is the constant for the attraction. Correction for the molecular volume. Initially, V equal to the V container. So V equal to the V container minus V gas, which is the volume of the gas is NB. NB is the molecular volume, which is N is the mole of the gas and B is the constant for the molecular volume. Okay, let's see the further explanations on the effect of the molecular volume on measured gas volume. In real situations, the gas molecules occupy sizable portions of the container. space occupied by the gas molecules have to be taken into consideration. The space restricts the movement of the gas molecules. The volume occupied by the gas molecules must be subtracted from the total volume. Okay, let's see the container. When the volume is decreased, so the gas molecule occupied the space, and the volume occupied by the gas molecule is labeled as NB. N represent for the mole of the gas and B represent for the size of the gas molecules. So combinations of the N and B is the molecular volume. The volume is decreased by the factor of NB, which accounts for the finite volume occupied by the gas particles. So there are corrections in volume, which is the volume equal to the V container minus to the V gas. So V container minus to the NB. So NB represent for the volume of the gas particles. So N, mole of the molecules. B, constant representing the volume occupied by the gas particles. So molecular size bigger, greater value of B. Second, the effect of intermolecular forces on measured gas pressure. Initially, at ordinary external pressure, molecules are too far to interact because the volume is large. The gas particles are too far apart to experience significant attractions. When moderately external pressure is applied, so the molecules close enough to interact and shows that the intermolecular forces are significant. The attractions lower the collisions of gas, the particles, with the wall of container. More explanations on intermolecular forces. The intermolecular forces have an effect on the speed of the moving gas particles. Gas particles that experience this force will move slowly. The collision of the gas particles with the wall of container become less. Lower pressure exert compared to the ideal gas situation. So, pressure for the ideal gas is larger than pressure of the real gas. The pressure is decreased by the factor n square A over V square, which accounts for the intermolecular forces between the gas particles. The term pressure needs to be corrected by adding coefficients n square A over V square. Therefore, P equal to the P plus n square A over V square. N mole of particles. A constant relates to the intermolecular forces between gas particles. As intermolecular forces stronger, so greater value of A. Conditions at which real gases approach the ideal behavior. At very low pressure, constant temperature. When the volume of container is increased, the gas particles are far apart from each other in a large volume. Volume of gas molecules is too small compared to volume of the container. Thus, volume of gas molecules are negligible. There is no intermolecular forces between gas particles, so intermolecular forces are negligible. Hence, it obeys kinetic molecular theory and the gas behave ideally. So, these two containers shows the gas particle at the low pressure and high pressure. At low pressure, the volume is increased. So, the distance between the gas particles are too far apart from each other, so the intermolecular forces between the gas particles is negligible. Second, at high temperature, at constant volume. Gas particles have high kinetic energy and move at a high speed. There is no intermolecular forces between the gas particles, and the intermolecular forces are negligible. Hence, it obeys the kinetic molecular theory, the gas behave ideally. That's all. Thank you.